So what we are trying to do here to get the tooth rehabilitated. First of all, it was a RC done tooth and the RC. So we were trying to prepare a post base with a monolithic post and core drill which we have exclusively with us. With that we'll be digging a post space and creating a space to accommodate the overlay crown over there, and after that little bit of composite building up of the missing areas and the broken tooth region. Post-operatively, after all these conservative procedures and the preparation, we can see the ground preparation before and we go for the digital procedure.